Hello everyone, let me introduce myself first. My name is AINA MAISARAH. I'm from FJ1.
Hi, my name is AHMAD AQIL bin NAZRI. You can call me UZAIRIL. I'm from FJ1.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad DANIAL bin SUKRI. I'm from FJ1.
Hi, my name is ISMAT. We are from FJ1 and today we are going to share with you about machine learning, a branch from artificial intelligence. So let's get into the video.
So in today's video, I would like to share with you guys about one of the most sensational topic in this technology era, which is machine learning. Okay, let's start. Let's begin with the definition. What's the first thought come after you guys heard of ML? It isn't a game though. ML stands for machine learning. It is a field of inquiry which related between two elements, which is ability of understanding and building methods, and for a result to improvise a task performance in our life. I'm sure you guys still not able to digest what is machine learning through the definition, right? Let's dive into the importance of machine learning in our daily life. Hope this will be easier to make your vision clearer. There you go. First and foremost, machine learning could improve elder care. For an example, to see is through remote patient monitoring (RPM). By using this, we are able to get know heart rates, oxygen level, and blood pressure as soon as possible. Furthermore, it can take over dangerous job. One of the risky job is in nuclear scope. So here, machine learning is used to train robot by classifying the radioactive waste. Besides, machine learning also can improve banking. Through machine learning algorithms, we could detect fraud as easy peasy. Last but not least, machine learning can help the environment too. How could I say this? For your information, machine learning algorithms which applied here is regulators. It can collect data by industry and location and more.
Different types of machine learning. Machine learning is often categorized by how an algorithm learns to become more accurate in its prediction. First, supervised learning. Supervised machine learning requires the data scientist to train the algorithm with both labeled inputs and desired outputs. Data scientists supply algorithm with labeled training data and define the variable they want the algorithm to assess for correlation. Second, semi-supervised learning. This approach to machine learning involves a mix of the two preceding types. Data scientists may feed an algorithm mostly labeled training data, but the model is free to explore the data on its own and develop its own understanding of the data set. Approach to machine learning involves a mix of the two preceding types. Third, unsupervised learning. Unsupervised machine learning algorithms do not require data to be labeled. This type of machine learning involves algorithms that train on unlabeled data. The algorithm scans through data set looking for any meaningful connection. Fourth, reinforcement learning. Data scientists typically use reinforcement learning to teach a machine to complete a multi-step process for which there are clearly defined rules. Data scientists program an algorithm to complete a task and give it positive or negative scores as it works on how to complete a task. Advantages and disadvantages of machine learning. Advantages. First, machine learning can help enterprises understand their customers at a deeper level. By collecting customer data and correlating it with behavior over time, machine learning algorithm can learn association and help team tailor product development and marketing initiative to customer demand. Second, some companies use machine learning as a primary driver in their business models. Uber, for example, use algorithm to match drivers with riders. Google use machine learning to surface the right advertisement in search. Disadvantages. First, machine learning is expensive. Machine learning projects are typically driven by data scientists who command high salaries. This project also requires software infrastructure that can be expensive. There is also the problem of machine learning bias. Algorithm trained on data set then exclude certain population or content errors can lead to inaccurate models of the world. When an enterprise bases core business processes on biased models, it can run into regulatory and reputational harm.
Well, here is the one of the coolest application of machine learning. It's here and people are already using it. Machine learning play a very important role in self-driving cars, and I'm sure you guys might have heard about Tesla. The leader in this business in their current artificial intelligence is driven by hardware manufacturer NVIDIA, which is based on unsupervised learning algorithm. NVIDIA state that they didn't train their model to detect people or any object as such. The model works on deep learning and machine learning. It uses internal and external sensors, which are a part of IoT. Visual assistants are much popular in today's world, which are the smart software embedded in smartphones or laptops. These assistants work as personal assistants and assist in searching for information that is asked over voice. A visual assistant understands human language or natural language voice commands. For instance, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistants are just some of the smart assistants used in everyday life to carry out activities like setting reminder, alarm, and many more. The technologies used behind virtual assistants are AI, machine learning, natural language processing, etc. In this digital era, Google Maps is one of the widely used applications whenever anyone goes out to reach the correct destination. The map helps us find the best route or the fastest route, traffic, and much more information. But how it provides this information to us? Google Maps uses different technologies, including machine learning, which collect information from different users, analyze that information, read the information, and make prediction. With the help of prediction, it can also tell us the traffic before we start our journey. Further, Google Maps also help find location like a hotel, mall, restaurants, cinema, and many more. One of the most common applications of machine learning is automatic friend tagging suggestion in Facebook or any other social media platform like Instagram and Twitter. Facebook uses face detection and image recognition to automatically find the face of the person which match its database and suggest us to tag the person based on deepfake. Nowadays, most people spend multiple hours on Google or the internet surfing, and while working on any web page or website, they get multiple ads on each page. But these ads are different for each user, even when two users are using the same internet and on the same location. These ads recommendations are done with the help of machine learning algorithms. These ads recommendations are based on the search history of each user. For example, if one user search for the shirt on Shopee or any other website, you will get start ads recommendation of shirts after some time.
So now let's move on to the brief history of machine learning. So there are 4 stages or 4 historical events that determine the future of machine learning as of now. The first stage is the machine learning was first conceived from the mathematical modeling of neural networks, a paper by logician Walter Pitts and neuroscientist Warren McCulloch. Published in 1943, they attempted to mathematically map out thought processes and decision-making in human cognition. And the second stage is a very interesting event that happened. In 1950, Alan Turing proposed the Turing test, which became the litmus test for which machines were deemed intelligent or unintelligent. The criteria for a machine to receive status as an intelligent machine was for it to have the ability to convince a human being that the machine, was also a human being. Soon after, a summer research program at Dartmouth College became the official birthplace of AI. And this was the turning point in artificial intelligence or machine learning, as it is the start of it all. The third stage, we can already see the applications of machine learning in our daily lives. From this point on, intelligent machine learning algorithms and computer programs started to appear, doing everything from planning travel routes for salespeople to playing board games with humans, such as checkers and tic-tac-toe. And for the final stage, we can see that intelligent machines went on to do everything from using speech recognition to learning how to pronounce words the way a baby would learn, and it can even defeat a world chess champion at his own game. So we can see that it is very advanced machine learning these days, but I think this is not the pinnacle of what machine learning are capable of. I truly believe that machine learning are capable of things that are so much bigger than this. How machine learning is used throughout various industries. Now, firstly, I want to talk about business management. With the explosive growth of data science, more and more businesses are focusing on improving their business processes by harnessing the power of technologies. Let's talk about user behavior analysis. Analyzing user behavior is one of the most common use cases of machine learning, especially in the retail sector. Think of a retail experience, whether online or in person. Businesses collect a vast amount of customer purchase information. Running this data through a machine learning algorithm allows businesses to predict consumer purchasing habits, market trends, popular products, and so on, which allows retailers to make informed business decisions based on this predicted information. For example, machine learning enables a company to make accurate decisions on managing stock, streamline ordering according to market and consumer demand, increase the overall efficiency of the logistical and operational processes, and lastly, integrate with marketing platforms to directly market products targeted at specific consumers. Now, let's move on to the military industry. The military environment generates a large amount of data of great importance, which makes necessary the use of machine learning for its processing. Its ability to learn and predict possible scenarios by analyzing the huge volume of information generated provides automatic learning and decision support. How about target recognition while carrying out operations? Machine learning techniques are being developed to enhance the accuracy of target recognition in complex combat environments. These techniques allow defense forces to gain an in-depth understanding of potential operation areas by analyzing reports, documents, news feeds, and other forms of unstructured information. Furthermore, machine learning in target recognition systems improve the ability of these systems to identify the position of their targets. Let me give you an example. DARPA, which is the United States Defense Department, DARPA's Target Recognition and Adaptation in Contested Environments program uses machine learning techniques to automatically locate and identify targets with the help of synthetic aperture radar. Now, let's move on to how machine learning is used in telecommunications. Machine learning algorithms assist telecom network engineers with detecting instances of illegal access, fake caller profiles, and cloning. So to achieve this, the algorithms perform behavioral monitoring of the global telecom networks, of CSP. By the way, CSP stands for Communications Service Provider. So accordingly, the network traffic along such networks are closely monitored. Lately, the rising security issues in telecom networks have been a point of concern for CSPs globally. Machine learning-based data security tools allow telecom companies to constantly monitor the cyber health of their networks. Machine learning algorithms perform analysis of global data networks and past security incidents to make key predictions of existing network vulnerabilities. In other words, machine learning-based network security tools enable telecom businesses to predict the futures of security complications and proactively take preventive measures to deal with them. Surprisingly, the last sector that utilizes artificial intelligence or machine learning is politics. Machine learning has a range of uses in the government. It can be used to further public policy objectives in areas such as emergency services, health and welfare, as well as assist the public to interact with the government through the use of virtual assistant. Now, to sum this up, if ML is designed to beat humans in games, thereby it undermines their confidence, it will not be meaningful for the development of this branch of science. Indeed, the purpose of ML is to help to improve human life through the augmentation of human capacity equivalent or superior to humans.